Hello guys, I will show on this video how to set up Cloudflare with WordPress. Go to Cloudflare and register or log in. Add your domain without www. Continue. If you need, you can select paid version or select free version. Copy this name server. Change name server on your domain provider. This DNS record added automatically. Continue to activation. Scroll down and click to continue. Click to check name server. It will take some minutes for changing name server. Wait 5 minutes and refresh page. OK, Cloudflare is activated. Click your site, go to speed optimization. Enable all available setting. Now click to Overview. Get your API token. I already installed Light Speed Cache plugin. Click to CDN. You need to add global API key and Cloudflare mail address. Click to view and enter Cloudflare login password. Copy this key. Enter API key and Cloudflare mail. Click to save changes. If you add correct API key and mail, Domail will add automatically. OK, added the domain. OK, now check site speed on GT metrics. Website speed is 99%. Thank you for watching.